Hey everyone, welcome to my new channel. Today we are going to Sato Shahid, 45 kilometers away from Hubli to make biryani. Hey, hey! It was just last minute plan, no packaging, no preparation, just a pickle spot and left. We gathered some firewood and started making biryani, full desi style. The location is calm, green and perfect for chill outdoor cookout. Nothing fancy, just friends, food and nature. That's all you need for a good day. 45 kilometers drive, a pot of biryani and a memories we will never forget. Thank you for watching videos. Likes and subscribe for more simple adventures. See you next time.